Hey guys, this is Josh with JC Landscape and Mowing, back with another video. And back at this part, we did pull the stumps out of the ground. For some reason, the GoPro didn't record the very beginning of it. And I'm using my truck and a 25-foot logger's chain. Plucked it right out of the ground like a dead weed. So hopefully we can get it on this one. We get a little bit of recording on it, because yeah, this was the biggest one, guys. You remember this one right here in front of the house. It was completely dead. So yeah, it plucked it right out of the ground. A few little straggler roots that I need to get there, but for the most part, it is out of the ground. So let's get you hooked up to that one over there, and we'll get some film. Be right back. All right, guys, let's hook the chain up and let's get this one out of the ground. All right, let's pluck it out of there. What do you think of that, guys? Plucked it right out of there. It's all right. That one's out. That one's out. This one will be an easy one to do. Just wrap it one time right there and pluck it out. The other one, it actually goes under the foundation of the porch and also the house. So I had to cut that one out. I didn't film that. You guys really didn't need to see me cutting it level with the ground. So let's get this little one plucked out here. All right, guys, let's get this last one plucked out of the ground. All right, guys, let's get it. Oh yeah, that was a baby one. All right guys, so that is it for the stumps at this property. I really wish you guys could have seen that one right there, but at least you got to see this gigantic monster right here. Look at the roots on this thing. That's every bit of, from that root there to that root over there is at least 8 feet, 9 feet. So let me get this mess cleaned up and I will show you guys the finished product. Be right back. Hey guys, this is Josh with JC Landscaping and Mowing, back with another video. And here is the 100% official finished product for those massive overgrown bushes. Everything is pulled out, raked out, stumps are on the trailer. A few little straggler roots here and there. I'm gonna clip them off real quick with the snippers, but other than that guys, this job is done. Customer is extremely happy. Now they have a clean slate. They can do whatever they want with this house. So I think they're thinking of putting in a couple boxwoods, smaller boxwoods, and a couple plants in between them, maybe hostas to fill in. So, but that's it guys. Short video for you. If you can, like, subscribe, share the channel. Be safe out there, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.